Yeah, when I think about the government contracting industry, the most significant technology shift over the last, say, 10 or 15 years has really been this quest for digital transformation within government contractors. They want to be able to automate and connect all their systems together so that they have a single pane of glass to kind of view their business and think about all the growth opportunities they have and how to make their businesses more efficient at executing on government contracts. And I think Gen AI is really going to revolutionize the actual user experience and get down to each individual user of systems and help them do their job more effectively and efficiently. And what that means is that it's better project outcomes for the customers of government contractors, for the federal government itself, by them embracing some of these technologies. But fundamentally, all these things just in and of themselves don't really help anyone. And it's about how do you fuse these technologies into software and solutions that are specific to industry so that you can add value to the actual company and the way the end user interfaces with the solutions and their jobs that they're supposed to be doing. Yeah, so the federal government has been on a quest for actually several decades now to really improve the cybersecurity posture of the supply chain. And so they've been introducing different regulations along the way, and they've been ratcheting that pressure up on the federal contracting community. So something like CMMC was really put in place to ensure that the federal contractors were complying to the high standards that the federal government wants to protect the supply chain of the federal government itself. And so Deltek is really looking at how we can put our solutions and thereby our customers in the best position to comply. Yeah, I think that when I think about what the biggest technology impacts are for government contractors in the next 5 years or so, it'll be how we embrace the Gen AI capabilities and technologies that are coming out while staying in compliance with cybersecurity standards from the federal government. So sometimes those two things can be opposing one another in terms of how do I really lock down the security, but then how do I take advantage of these new technologies, these emerging technologies that are out there. That's going to be really, really important to think about. How do these government contractors embrace these technologies? How do they use them to enhance their mission and what they're trying to do for the federal government and executing on their contracts? And so the government contracting industry has been a little bit slow to adopt technologies, or at least new technologies in the past, because they have all these layers of regulatory compliance, and they've got to really figure that out. And so we see a lot of government contractors are partnering with us to help figure that out together. And I think we'll be stronger when we do that together, and we'll get them where they need to go.